Hi everybody, I'm so excited. Look what just came in the mail. This is the swag box for the conference, the Catholic Homeschool Conference. Look, it has that nice label on it. So I'm gonna unbox this and see what is going on. So if you're signed up for the conference, it's totally free for the first 4 days when it's live. If you sign up for the VIP package before the conference ends, it's half off. And the first few hundred people who sign up for the VIP package get this swag box. So let's see what's in there. Oh, packed nicely. Lots of bubble wrap. Gotta put that aside for the kids. And there's, coffee. So that's from Nicaragua. And let's see. Oh, this is the coffee. This is who gave us the coffee. Franciscan sticker. Let's see, nice little bookmark from Maggie Kelly, walkingwithpurpose.com. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here, you guys. Here's a CD on Purgatory with Robert Haddad and Praying for the Dead. Vespers for the Immaculate Conception from St. Patrick's Cathedral Choir. That's from Ignatius Press. Thank you, Ignatius Press. And Holy Heroes. You know, they're so generous. They always have free things at their website. Make sure you check out, let's see, holyheroes.com. So best loved Catholic prayers. Nice. Oh, from Homeschool Connections. That's my company. A little notepad, a little Homeschool Connections pencil. So you can take notes during the conference. Love it. So fun. Here's something from SoulCore. Oh, nice. 2 free months to SoulCore. So that's a coupon. So SoulCore is kind of, I think it's like the Catholic version of yoga. And I know I have a lot of friends who like that and use it. Connecting with History. I love Connecting with History. Look at that. Another coupon, 10 to 15% off and free shipping. Nice. So if you're not familiar with Connecting with History, also known as RC History, so it's rchistory.com. They have just really great history program. It's like a unit study, four-year study. So look, they also have this conference special, Sing Your Way Through History. So it's a rhyme sing-along. Looks like CDs, 25% off. Sweet. Let's see. Oh, here's the little welcome from the conference. It's from me and Walter and Paula. Love it. Oh, this is lovely. This is a printable, frameable print called Quiet. And that's from John Paul the Great University. So jpcatholic.edu. So very nice. Thank you. So much generosity. Sophia Institute Press for Teachers. Sophia Institute for Teachers. So 30% off of any order at Sophia. They have great books. So that's going to come in handy. I'm going to definitely use this. Let's see, the Apple Core. Oh, yep, coupon. So coupon code inside there for 10% off from Seeds for Sainthood. Nice. Okay, oh, another bookmark from walkingwithpurpose.com again. So that says, speak the truth, even if your voice shakes. Oh, I like that. That's nice. It'd be nice to give it one of the teens. Steve Ray. So this is his brochure for his, he does those cruises and pilgrimages. So again, coupon 10% off for his favorite Bible and Catholic software. Nice. Very nice. Okay, let's see. Classical education. Oh, from Colby Academy. Look at this. So it's a little booklet. Classical Education in the Contemporary World by Robert Spencer. So that's nice. A little book on classical education. Franciscan University. Thrive at Franciscan. I have a daughter there right now. She's graduating next year. John Paul the Great. So again, they were the ones who gave us the nice frameable picture, right? So this is, I think that's just information on the university. Catholic University of America. So brochure on them, really nice. All kinds of information. Oh, and Ignatius Press. their catalog. Little mini catalog from Ignatius. Oh, homeschooling resources. Oh, they got design your own classical curriculum. Everyone has to have that book. That was my go-to book when I started homeschooling. So, oh, here we go. Use swag bag at the checkout. Free shipping with the coupon on orders over $50. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Oh, Catholic Textbook Project. So we all love their history textbooks, right? Christopher Zinder, one of the authors, the editor, used to teach for Homeschool Connections. You can still take his classes in recording. What's this? Oh, Ave Maria. So these, I think, looks like stickers. Yep, stickers from Ave Maria. Oh, nice. So this is from Sophia Institute for Teachers. So Sophia Institute Press and their Sophia Institute for Teachers.org organization. This is actually a book, a language arts book. Very nice. So it's on the wanderings of Odysseus. Oh. So if you're into classical education, look, there's reading questions by chapter, story activities, discussion, writing prompts. Nice. That's a great swag bag. From what I'm told, it's worth $50, which is the cost of the VIP package. And with the VIP package, you also get access to all of those recordings of the from the conference for lifetime access. What else? Oh, lots of free stuff. We're putting together all kinds of free ebooks and other little goodies that we're just gonna roll out throughout the conference for you. So pretty exciting. But to get the swag bag, you have to be one of the first people to sign up because there's only a limited amount and it's going to run out. So thanks for all watching. It was fun. I've never done an unboxing. I loved it. So God bless you all. We'll see you, I hope, Wednesday, May 19th through Saturday, May 22nd. And if you don't see this till after the 22nd, you can get that VIP package and still watch things. These will probably be gone by then, but you can still sign up. And I think this is Guadalupe coffee. So again, I'll put that link in the comments. I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee. Take care and God bless. Bye.